Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I can't even speak today, it is that hot. I'm not complaining, God, I'm not complaining, please don't make it rain. But it's a bit hot, in England right now, especially in London, it is boiling. So yeah, if I get sweat dripping down my forehead, just ignore it because yeah, it's very hot. Anyway, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you what is in the June. Oh my gosh, we're in June already. I was literally about to go May Glossybox, but in the June Glossybox. Why do I shake it every time? Why do I want to break what's in there? I don't know. So yeah, let's have a look at what is in this month's box. So it says Glossy Summer Skin Sorted Skincare Saviour Fresh and Feminine. Okay, so I guess this is summer prep box, which I'm here for because it's definitely feeling like summer now because like I said, let's have a look at what the first thing is. Ooh, Batiste Dry Shampoo Blush Flirty Floral. I think this is actually really good. You can never do with too much dry shampoo. The only thing with this one is I tend to get the brown the brown tinted one. I guess because my hair is so dark, sometimes if I use the white one, it just never disappears and makes my hair a bit grey. This says that it's got a flirty floral scent to it, so it smells nice actually. No, actually I'm happy with that because this is so small as well, it will just fit in your bag. So if you've been out all day and you're getting a bit sweaty in your hairline, put a bit of this on and you will be sorted. So that's obviously by Batiste and it's obviously a mini. Normally, I'm sure you've all seen the Batiste dry shampoos, they're a lot bigger than that. RRP is £1.60. So, next product. Mitchell and Peach English Growers English Leaf Body Oil. Ooh. Blended with almond oil and vitamin E, this body oil leaves skin soft and scented. I mean, I actually love a body oil, so let's have a little sniff. It smells like a leaf. It actually does smell like a leaf and it's called English Leaf. And it genuinely just smells like leaves, when it's rained and you can smell a leaf. This is what this smells like. But I will use this. Maybe I'll just put a tiny little bit oh my god, this is gonna go wrong. I'll just put a little bit on my arm. It's the smell for me. It is the smell, honestly, that smell, it feels really nice, but the smell is you're rolling around in some wet mud. Wet mud with leaves and branches and brambles. This is what a squirrel would wear as perfume. It's such a woodland smell. I don't know, no, I would not want my whole body to smell like that. I'm sorry, I wouldn't. Yeah, no. Let's see where that's from. So, the brand's called Mitchell and Peach, and obviously it's English Leaf Body Oil, and the RRP is £23. So that's a shame that I don't like it because that's one of the more expensive products. But yeah, it's not for me that. Top tip, it says, pair with the English Leaf Eau de Toilette for a scent that lasts. I don't want it to last, I want it to get away from me, I don't like it. Yeah, I probably won't be using that because I don't want to smell like Snow White, or, is that Snow White? Whatever Disney princess where all the, animals come, you know, that scene where she's and all the birds and everything are all over it. Anyway, I digress. What is the next product? Ooh, Cetraben Cream, SLS and paraben free. #1 prescribed 1 million cream in the UK. Oh, for problematic dry, sensitive or eczema prone skin. I actually don't have eczema or particularly sensitive skin at all. I mean, I get dry on my knees sometimes, but doesn't everyone get that? I guess this is just like E45 cream or something like that, so probably not something I will use now, but I think stuff like this always comes in handy. I guess it's like Sudocreme, E45, all that stuff. It's just good to have, isn't it? But you use it like once a year. So yeah, yeah, I would prefer something else because I'm really probably not going to use this anytime soon. But it is a good to have. So that brand is called Cetra Ben, and that is a deluxe mini worth $2.99, and it's 30 grams. If you get the proper 50ml one, it's $4.99. And I'm actually just reading the description now, and it says, ideal for those whose skin is in need of extra moisture, as well as being suitable for those with eczema prone skin. So it's not actually like a treatment for eczema, but if you have dry skin and suffer from eczema, you can use it, if that makes sense. Let's find the next one. Ooh, Nip and Fab. That is a brand I have been wanting to try for ages. So it says Nip and Fab Illuminate Vitamin C Scrub Fix Exfoliate Vitamin C. Oh my gosh, this is good. This has been worth the emollient and the leaf oil. Oh, I'm so excited to try this. Let's see, does it have a scent? It smells really orange. Can you see it's like super, super orange? That's really cool, I think. It smells really nice as well. Nip and Fab is meant to be so good, so that is very exciting. So it says it's Scrub Fix. Energizing and illuminating, this exfoliant scrub is infused with vitamin C, coffee seed extract and coconut oil. Cleanse, nourish and renew your skin. That's so good as well because I've been using like a vitamin C, what's the word? Eye cream from Boots. I mean, you're meant to use it morning and night, and I only use it morning and only if I've put makeup on, so I can't say whether it's brightened anything, but yeah, I'm excited to use this because it'll go nicely with that. And RRP for this, it is full size and it's worth £12.95. Okay. Ooh, Oui Cherie pH changing hydrating lip oil by the brand The Beauty Crop. I've never heard of that before, but this is again really good because I've really been wanting a lip oil for ages. So that is great. My lips are honestly just perpetually dry, like all the time, constantly dry. Oh my gosh, this packaging, guys, it's so nice. How nice does that look? I really, really love the way this looks. It smells of cherry as well. I'm going to put some on now. Is it tinted? Or did I just get that on there from my lips? I can't tell if it's tinted or not because I feel like it did just make my lips go a different... Oh, it is tinted. So I've just put a bit on my hand and it's got like that red tint to it, which I actually really like. I really like that colour. I think it's nice. So yeah, the brand is called The Beauty Crop and it's Oui Cherie Lip Oil. For gorgeously kissable lips, look no further. Non-sticky, moisture-rich lip treatment. Enhance your part's natural colour whilst making your lips super smooth. It is really non-sticky, like it feels, my lips feel... Anyway, yeah, RRP is £13, so I'm really happy with that because I really like this way... I really like the way this looks and I would have bought this myself, so that is a win. Oh my gosh, they've given us food! Dark chocolate, nuts and sea salt. This is a kind bar. That's kind of random. 214 calories in just this. Do you know I could eat for 214 calories? Sorry, I'm not. No. This kind bar is not even in the leaflet. Oh, maybe they gave us it as a nice little extra thing to like be nice. I feel bad now. I'm not gonna lie, I do feel a bit bad. Sorry, Glossybox, that's actually a really nice thought. It's really nice that you did that. I just thought you were saying it was one of the items. Anyway, what's next? It's that time again. That was it. So that's all the products that are in the June Glossybox. And I have to say, I was actually really happy with this box because this vitamin C scrub, this lip oil, and the Batiste mini dry shampoo. I will definitely use all of these, and I'll probably use the lip oil like every day because I've been really meaning to get one. So yeah, I'm really happy with that because these three together cost like £30, I think, if you added them all up. So the box is only £11, £12, around that price. So it's actually really worth it. The thing that I will not be using is this leaf oil because I feel like I'll wake up if I put this on and have like a raccoon in the bed next to me or something. So yeah, please subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.